Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best triple cream is probably one of the most decadent and luxurious cheeses you can find. Its rich, buttery texture and intense flavor make it a true indulgence. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll explore the world of triple cream, helping you navigate the choices and find the perfect creamy delight for your next cheese board. Number 5. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This cream is designed to help you wake up with smoother, firmer, and more even-toned skin. It works overnight to rejuvenate your skin. This anti-aging cream is clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and improve skin firmness. It visibly evens skin tone in just 4 weeks. You'll see a noticeable difference. Infused with vitamin C, this cream helps to diminish dark spots and boost radiance. It fights the signs of aging while improving your overall skin appearance. It's gentle yet effective. Formulated with glycerin and shea butter, this night cream deeply moisturizes your skin. It works while you sleep, leaving your skin feeling soft and revitalized. It's perfect for overnight use. Featuring hexanol technology, this cream boosts your skin's ability to improve its appearance. It visibly improves skin firmness, revealing smoother and younger-looking skin. Use it every night. For best results, apply the cream evenly over your face and neck every night. Incorporate this into your skincare routine for deeply moisturized and revived skin. Try it tonight. What we like. This night cream is packed with vitamin C to help even out your skin tone and reduce dark spots. It also deeply moisturizes while you sleep, thanks to its formula with glycerin and shea butter. If you are looking for a product that tackles multiple signs of aging while you rest, you should consider this one. What people say. Works fantastic, great value, great ingredients, last long, lightweight, high quality, great for skin and hydration, very good size, portable, big amount. This cream lightened freckles and a few age spots. They're still there but much less noticeable. Skin feels and looks smoother. Number 4. Triple Paste Diaper Rash Cream, 16-ounce tub. This is Triple Paste, the pediatrician recommended solution for diaper rash. It's an all-in-one formula that treats, soothes, and prevents future rashes. It's designed to give your baby the best care. The formula uses 12.8% non-nano zinc oxide, oat extract, and beeswax. This combination immediately soothes irritated skin. It's gentle yet powerful in its action. This cream is free from fragrance, alcohol, talc, dyes, parabens, phthalates, and preservatives. It's gentle enough for daily use, even on sensitive skin. You can trust it to be safe for your baby. The thick consistency of the ointment creates a protective barrier. It provides fast relief for existing irritation and helps prevent future rashes. It's a great way to protect your baby's skin. Triple Paste is a favorite among parents who want the best for their babies. Keep it in your diaper bag for easy access. It's a simple way to provide comfort and protection. What we like. This diaper rash cream uses a triple action formula to treat, soothe, and prevent diaper rash. It is pediatrician recommended and uses zinc oxide to create a protective barrier. If your baby is experiencing diaper rash or you want to prevent it, you should consider this cream. What people say. It's super thick, stays in place, and clears up even tough rashes overnight. It's thick, soothing, and starts working almost immediately. The hypoallergenic formula with zinc oxide creates a protective barrier that soothes and prevents irritation without harsh chemicals or unnecessary fragrances. Number 3. Triple Paste Diaper Rash Cream, 8 ounces. This is Triple Paste, the ointment recommended by pediatricians. It's designed to treat and soothe your baby's delicate skin, providing the care they deserve. The all-in-one formula treats existing rashes, soothes immediately, and prevents future ones. It's a comprehensive solution for your baby's comfort. With 12.8% non-nano zinc oxide, oat extract, and beeswax, it gently heals irritated skin. The ingredients work together to provide quick relief and protection. It's free from fragrance, alcohol, talc, dyes, parabens, phthalates, and preservatives. This makes it safe for daily use, even on sensitive skin. The thick consistency creates a protective barrier, offering fast relief and preventing future rashes. It's a reliable way to keep your baby happy and healthy. What we like. This diaper rash cream uses a triple action formula to treat, soothe, and prevent diaper rash. It is pediatrician recommended and uses zinc oxide to create a protective barrier. If your baby is experiencing diaper rash or you want to prevent it, you should consider this cream. What people say. It's super thick, stays in place, and clears up even tough rashes overnight. It's thick, soothing, and starts working almost immediately. The hypoallergenic formula with zinc oxide creates a protective barrier that soothes and prevents irritation without harsh chemicals or unnecessary fragrances. Number 2. Weleda Baby Calendula Diaper Cream 2.8 ounces. This cream is designed to protect your baby's delicate skin. It is made with plant-rich ingredients like calendula, chamomile, and sweet almond oil. The cream cares for the delicate skin in the diaper area. It soothes the skin and reduces redness from the very first day. A blend of lanolin and zinc oxide helps to protect your baby's skin. It creates a barrier against dampness, keeping your baby comfortable. Our products are free from synthetic compounds and toxic chemicals. Instead, it uses natural extracts, minerals, and essential oils. Nourish your baby's pure and sensitive skin with the best ingredients from nature. Experience the full range of plant-rich baby care, crafted for your baby's delicate skin. What we like. This diaper cream is enriched with calendula and chamomile to soothe your baby's delicate skin. It also contains lanolin and zinc oxide to protect against dampness. If you like natural ingredients and want a gentle cream for your baby, you should consider this one. What people say. The cheese is very creamy and has a wonderful flavor. It is delicious on crackers or crusty bread. The rind is bloomy and adds a nice texture. Number 1. Coats Triple Moisture Water Cream. Introducing the Coats Triple Moisture Water Cream. This lightweight, oil-free moisturizer is designed to keep your skin hydrated all day long. It's perfect for young skin and provides a healthy, dewy glow. This moisturizer is clinically proven to protect your skin's moisture barrier. It provides all-day hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. You'll notice a significant difference in how your skin looks and feels. Dermatologically approved and designed specifically for young skin, this cream is gentle yet effective. It's formulated with ingredients that are kind to your skin and the planet. It is also fragrance-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. In a consumer study, 82% of users agreed their skin looked and felt more hydrated. The cream contains polyglutamic acid, which holds more water than hyaluronic acid. It also includes ceramides and squalane to boost elasticity. Coats products are cruelty-free, vegan, and packaged in recycled materials. This moisturizer is a great choice for those who care about their skin and the environment. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This lightweight moisturizer is designed for young skin and provides all-day hydration. It is formulated with ingredients that protect the skin's moisture barrier. If you have young skin and need a moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated all day long, you should consider this one. What people say. The cheese is very creamy and has a wonderful flavor. It is delicious on crackers or crusty bread. This cheese is a great addition to a cheese board. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.